This is the control box, obviously, the support arms, which are installed to the control box with the white thumb screws. We've got the double T-nuts that will slide right down the left crossbar. And right on in, we'll secure that down. This one, okay, the other nut there, we'll just leave that for a while. The limit switch. Remember when we installed the frame, we left the double T-nut in there. We've got the two 1/4 20 button heads with the two plates that will make it so that the button heads do not bottom out as they go into the double T-nut. So we'll secure the limit switch down to the double T-nut. And now the limit switch can slide, and we'll still leave it, we'll affix it later as the carriage will come. This will define the home position once the carriage activates the limit switch. And once we set it, it will be consistent for all of our winding sessions. Let's have a look at the control box wiring diagram and the connections that we'll need to make. So just a general description of the control box wiring diagram. We've got three boards installed, three control boards. We've got a general input-output board, a carriage stepper control board, and a mandrel stepper control board. Notice that these stepper control boards have a standard 4-wire input with A going to black, B going to green, the C input going to blue, and the D input going to red. Most of the stepper control, the control boxes shipped with the integral Molex connector. However, some did not in the to get the boxes out the door as quick as we could to our customers. So in that case, if you do not have a stepper motor that has an integral Molex connector, what you'll want to do is take black to A, green to B, blue to C, and red to D, and you can just come right in and wire that directly to the screw down terminal positions. In any event, so we have 4 USB connectors, one obviously to each of the boards, this USB to the carriage stepper control board, this USB to the mandrel stepper control board. Of course, we then have the hub. We'll bring those to the hub, and then from the hub we'll go to the PC. So there is a USB hub that was included with the X-Winder. And of course, that's fairly straightforward to hook up. With regard to the power unit, so that will connect right into this board. And notice the cross wiring that gets the power from one board to the other. On the connector, so this is sort of a standard European or Australian or other type of a wall socket. This, of course, is US or a US wall connector. Notice that the external power supply will accept input voltages from 100 to 240 volts AC. So anything from 100 to 240 volts AC can come from the wall socket, and it outputs 24 volts 2 amps to the control board. So just about anywhere. If you do this particular cord are fairly inexpensive, and if you did not get the correct wall socket adapter, you could probably purchase that fairly straightforward.